Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Insulin ELISA Kit. So guys, as you can see, this is the top view and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides of it. So as you can see, this is the Insulin ELISA Kit. The catalog number for it is IN374S. You can see the lot number over here and the manufacturing and the expiry date. This is a standard 96 well plate test kit and it has an optimum temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that's the reason why it is kept on a ice pack. So guys, it is used only for research purposes and not for diagnostic procedure, and you can see the manufacturing address over here. So guys, let me show you the other side of it. So this is the Calbiotech kit, and you can see this is the made in USA. And also let me show you the other side of the kit. So guys, let me open this for you. So as you can see on the top, you can find the Calbiotech Insulin ELISA Kit, the pack insert, the IFU brochure of it. Then I think we have the certification of analysis. Yeah, so this is the Calbiotech Insulin ELISA Kit's certification of analysis. You can see the catalog number here, IN374S. And then we have the streptoviridin coated well plates. Then we have a couple of reagents. Let me show you. So let me keep this aside for you. So guys, this is the reagents for the Insulin ELISA kit. Let me show you each and every reagent. As you can see, this is the enzyme control 1, and then we have the insulin control 2, then we have the insulin standard 1, then we have the insulin standard 2. Yeah, this is the insulin standard 3. So this is the insulin standard 4. So this is the insulin standard 5. And at last we have the insulin standard 6. So these are the standards and the controls. So let me show you this. So this is the insulin conjugate reagent. Then we have the TMB substrate. Then we have the stop solution. Then we have the wash concentrate. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Calbiotech Insulin ELISA Kit. As you can see, it contains a pack insert. Then we have the certification of analysis. Then we have the streptoviridin coated well plates. Then we have insulin control 1, insulin control 2, and we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 insulin standards. Then we have the insulin conjugate reagent, the TMB substrate, the soft solution, and the wash buffer. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Calbiotech Insulin ELISA Kit. Thank you.